Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the HyreCar driver app. If you don't have a HyreCar driver account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for HyreCar. So this is what the HyreCar app logo looks like. To proceed, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Otherwise, tap on Sign Up, and follow the on-screen instructions and prompts. To log in, select from the options provided. In this video, we're going to continue with email. Once logged in, you will be asked to allow location use in the background. To proceed, tap on Continue. Also, you'll be asked to allow HyreCar from sending notifications. To allow, tap on Continue. Lastly, you'll be informed that your data will be used to deliver personalized ads to you. To proceed, tap again on Continue. And that's how you download and install the HyreCar driver app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.